This is one of those 20 account Apex deals. You know how you can get 20 accounts. What I did was I put 2 in one group, 5 in another, 3 in another, and 10 in another. This is the group. This is the 5 group here. You could see 5 right there. The way I keep it straight, and I'm new to this platform, but the way I keep it straight is if I go whichever one that I have set for 5, because on this, when you have a 5, you when you sell in one in that group, it sells in them all, or buy in one, it buys in them all. So like right now, it's $2,000 made in this. See right there, it's all 5 of them together. It's only $410 right now in the individually. So let's just say we're getting down here. You know, there's nothing wrong with $2,000. So I want to, what am I trading here? MQ. I want to go to here. 2,300. It might go on down some more. I don't know. 2,400. I'm just going to hit exit all.
Order filled.
And it closed them all. It closed them all on every single thing. I have another group of 10, and it trades 10 different accounts. You could trade all 20 together, but that's a quick way for me to blow 20 accounts, really. And I don't really blow accounts, but I mean, I can see how I could. I'd rather have it split up. The group of 5 trades this, the group of whatever trades this, you know, that type of thing. So let's handle this.